The man accused of luring a Michigan teen away from home and bringing her to Rhode Island is being held without bail today.
43-year-old Charles Moranci of Warwick appeared in federal court on charges of interstate travel with a minor and receipt of child pornography.
He has been at the ACI since early this month and is now charged with multiple counts of sexual assault. Eyewitness News reporter Kate Walsh is live outside federal court with why a judge said Moranci is an extreme danger to teen girls. Kate?
Well, Mike and Shannon, Charles Moranci has been held at the ACI since his arraignment at Kent County District Court earlier this month, but that was because he wasn't able to post bail. Now he's being held behind bars because at federal court here this afternoon, a judge ordered him to be held without bail. 43-year-old Charles Moranci of Warwick, seen here at his arraignment in Kent County District Court on August 7th, now charged on the federal level with transportation of a minor with intent to engage in criminal sexual activity and receipt of child pornography. Prior to his initial appearance Thursday in federal court in Providence, Moranci was ordered held on a combined $125,000 surety bail on 4 counts of third-degree sexual assault or statutory rape out of Warwick and 2 felony charges out of Michigan. Federal prosecutors allege Moranci helped a 15-year-old girl plan an escape from her house in Hopkins, Michigan, so he could pick her up and bring her back to his house in Warwick and have a sexual relationship. According to the criminal complaint, Moranci admitted to knowing the victim was underage and that he engaged in sexual relations with her at a rest stop on the way to Warwick. Prosecutors also say that the victim and Moranci had sexually explicit conversations and that the victim sent him 7 images of child pornography. Moranci is fighting extradition to Michigan, where he is wanted on charges there. He's been held at the ACI since his arrest because he wasn't able to post bail. But in federal court on Thursday, the judge granted the U.S. government's request that Moranci be held without bail before his trial on the belief he is a flight risk and that he is an extreme danger to teenage girls, as officials say is proven through his conversations with the victim on Instagram. I was inside the federal courtroom this afternoon for his first appearance here at federal court, and the judge said Moranci is eligible for a public defender but has reportedly hired a private attorney who wasn't there today. His next court appearance here is scheduled for September 11th. Live in Providence, I'm Kate Walsh, Eyewitness News.